Hey guys, it is me, Stace. Today we're going to make this really cute Valentine's box. This is from 3dsvg.com. Alright, let's go to the computer and we will get started. Alrighty, to access the free SVG file, you'll want to go to the website 3dsvg.com. You will see this screen. Top toolbar, you want to click on where it says free SVG files. We're going to scroll down and you will see there's 8+ pages. The one we want is on page number 2. It is this one here. It's the Candy Kiss Treat Box. I'm going to click on that. I'm going to click Add to Cart. And I'm going to click on Checkout. I'm already logged in, so I'm going to click on Place Order. And just give this a second to go through and you will see a download link. All right, there's our blue box. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. This downloads the files to your computer. Now in my case, I am on a Mac, so mine downloads to my download folder, and it also downloads in a zip file. On the Mac, all you need to do is double click on that. You will see another folder. Double click on the blue folder. Inside there you will see a PDF that tells you all the pieces you will need, an image of the finished box, and then the SVG files are in here. I'm going to close this out. Now you want to go to Design Space. You would get there by going to design.cricut.com. You'll see this screen. Enter in your email and your password. Click on Sign In. We're going to click on New Project. Left-hand side toolbar at the very bottom, click on Upload. We're going to click on Upload Image. Click on Browse. Now you will go to the folder on your desktop wherever you save them to. In my case, it was my download folder. Then you would just click on each one of these, click on Open, and then bring them into Design Space. I'm going to hit Cancel because I already did that. I'm going to go back over here because you can see all of my pieces are here. I'm going to go ahead and click on each one of them. Insert the images. All right, so we have this one. You can see there are score marks on that. So you want to have that piece selected. The bottom right-hand side window, you want to click on Attach. Do the same for this piece. Click Attach. This piece, click Attach. Upper right-hand corner, click on Make It. And we see we have our white piece, our box piece, the hearts, and the lips. I'm going to click on Continue, cut these out with a table, and put our box together. Alrighty guys, here we are with all of our pieces. I'm first going to finger press on all these score marks. Do the sides. And then we're going to attach our window to the inside. Alright, so I'm using art glitter glue. I get this from maymaymadeit.com. I'm going to put just a little bit of glue around each one of the hearts. And just like a little bit in the middle to help hold the plastic piece down. And the plastic piece I'm using is just part of a bag I cut down to fit. So I'm going to lay that in there. I'm going to flip it over and just kind of rub. All right. So now we have our little flap right here. I'm going to lay this flap down. Put glue on this piece. And then fold this piece over. And that creates our box. Okay. All right, now we're going to work on the lips and the other pieces. Really cute box and very easy to put together. You can make them be any color you like. Okay, now we're going to put glue on the box around this piece here. And again, you don't need a whole lot. You don't want it seeping out on your window sheet. Okay, now let's work on our heart. We have this piece and this piece. We're going to put glue all over this one. You don't want to put glue on the flap. On this bottom piece, leave that glue free. We're going to attach this piece to this one. Get everything lined up. Okay, let's grab our word. Okay, we're going to lay that on top. Flip it over. If you guys want to receive the card kit to receive all the pieces to make the box, just go to my blog, leave me a comment. I will pick a winner for that tomorrow. Okay, now I'm going to glue my little flaps down. And I heard a rumor this year as far as candy hearts, they're not going to be out this year. I don't know why. All right, now we have these pseudo flaps like this. Now at this point you'd fill it with your candy. Just going to go ahead and close it up here. Nice little fingerprint or a finger notch there to make it easy to open. All right, so we have our box like that. We're going to put glue on these bottom pieces. And it's going to sit on top of the box. Just like that. Just kind of press it down, let that glue grab for a minute. All right, so you have that box here. And this in here. This one I filled with really old peppermint candies, just so you guys can see what it would look like filled. All right, guys, there you have it. A super simple project. Any questions at all, please let me know. As always, thanks so much for watching. Have a great day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.